that the most comfortable? Is that okay?
That's okay.
¿Seguro?
Who taped that up for you?
Himself, he always
did.
use a clipper to do it himself.
Gotcha. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
They didn't say you need surgery or anything? No surgery?
No,
No.
he needs to wait maybe 1 month to
See
check
where
it,
it's
to go
at?
back,
Yep.
and let's see. But I don't think so because he doesn't have a lot of pain, like
Okay.
it's out of the place. or
Yeah.
something.
Now that they got it back in place, I think it's best to just ice it, give it time to heal. Nothing, don't go crazy. Try and get
Yeah.
back in.
He takes ice bath every day
Perfect.
for 10 minutes.
Perfect.
The whole body freezes.
That feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The ice bath. You do that in the morning when you wake up?
And yeah, when like I wake up at 3 a.m. I walk and around 9 a.m.
Okay. So you're up early.
Yeah.
I can't believe you got it on video.
Yeah, he was doing his regular exercise
Yeah.
and he was taping all the workout for that day, and that happened.
Too much weight?
Well, it was my
I think he's trying to
mistake.
do the extra one.
Yeah.
Like an extra set?
Yeah,
Extra
and then
set.
it just-
and that's the.
So you feel knots up here?
Right or not? The right side.
Let me know if this does any pain. So with this, I'm just gonna have you take a big deep breath in. We're gonna let it all out. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Another big breath in. All right, let's, let's have you sit up. I don't want to do any moves that are gonna put that shoulder in an issue.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's have you sit up.
Are you do?
No. Thank you. So what?
Let's have you just straddle that table.
With the.
Yep,
Uh-huh.
with it in between
Right
your legs. Yep.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
This one move would,
Silver
let's see. Yeah, is that okay?
Uh-huh. Other side. And this one.
glasses.
Right comfy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move on that. Let's stay face down.
Okay.
Sorry. Just trying to think of how to maneuver that without busting up that shoulder. Any low back pain or anything?
No. But after the ice bath, no.
No. That kind of freezes it all out. You've been doing that every day since for the
Yeah.
past 13 days?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Went for
That'll reduce all that inflammation in that.
235 days.
You've been doing it for 235 days.
Mm-hmm.
Woo! So, I'm gonna have you straight leg raise this leg up. If you can raise the whole thing. Is that okay?
Yes.
And then this one. This one was a little bit more difficult.
I think so, yeah.
We'll go ahead and cross these over.
Mm-hmm.
Let's try that one more time. This one up.
Mm-hmm.
Good. And then we'll go this one. Good. So I'm just going to do some drops on the rest of this low back here.
Mm-hmm.
So it was 3 years ago when you got adjusted by Dr. Joseph?
Yeah, I think so.
Does that feel okay in there?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go ahead and flip over and go face up. Here, I got you. Good. How are you sleeping? Is it interfering with your sleep at all?
But now,
On your left side?
yeah.
Neck feels pretty good. Have you noticed any issues because of this?
No. I think so. This side,
Yeah.
like, I press sometimes to relax.
Got your name on your pants and everything. You famous? Alright, so let's get you up here. And let's get you to the end of the table here. Alright, so I'll have you lay back here. So if you tweaked any of those nerves running out down here, try and get that. Good. You remember the watch strap?
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna get a bit of a pull in here.
Mhm.
Just have you relax those legs. A big deep breath for me. Just relax there. Deep breath in. What do you think? I don't think I'm gonna touch the shoulder today.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let it,
Yeah.
just let that heal.
Mm-hmm.
When you go in for your checkup at a month,
Uh-huh.
see what they say. You're not in, it's like a 2 or 3 right now?
El dolor.
Oh.
Dolor?
Well,
Not too bad?
not too bad. Yeah.
Which way is the hardest in the movement? Would it be going out like this?
I didn't try.
Okay.
Oh, right.
That's it?
With my help, yeah, it's
Yeah.
good. But myself,
Yeah. Yeah, all those are stretched out. All
Yeah.
those muscles,
Uh-huh.
tendons, ligaments, everything in there just stretched out to the max.
mm-hmm.
Because when you were going up, went all the way back and then out. So your shoulder was sticking out in the front, right?
Uh-huh.
Like this.
Yeah.
And you just went straight to the hospital?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like 20 minutes, right? Yes.
And wait for hours.
Wait 2 hours. That happened to me when I went to get my appendix out.
Oh.
No, but it was empty.
Nobody was there?
Nobody. No, it was emergency.
Wow.
No people with nothing. And I was walking. And it was empty. But I think so. They was waiting for the doctor.
Okay, let's have you put this arm,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'm just gonna press. Have you
Mhm.
push against my hand with your elbow? Have you push against that
Oh.
like that?
Right up.
Yeah, did you push against this?
Que lo aprietes.
Que tú lo aprietes hacia su mano.
Oh,
Hacia
oh,
su-
yeah.
There you go.
Échalo
Pop it
de
on,
nuevo.
you're doing it. I'm gonna let that go
Uh-huh.
today and just,
Mm-hmm.
you let that heal,
Mhm.
do your ice baths, keep it up,
Mm-hmm.
and just avoid going hard on it.
All right.
Slowly,
Mm-hmm.
try and day by day, baby steps are gonna be the best, because if you try and raise it up high, you're gonna re-injure that.
Mhm.
So take it easy.
All right.
Yeah,
Okay. Thank you.
yeah, you're welcome.
All right.
Who's up next?
Me.